Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Limcee vitamin C for skin. First, understand that vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant crucial for skin health. It helps combat environmental damage and promotes a more even skin tone. We'll cover its key benefits, proper application methods, and important tips to maximize its effectiveness. Get ready to unlock a brighter, healthier complexion with Limcee vitamin C. Limcee vitamin C offers several amazing benefits for your skin. It's a vital component for collagen synthesis, which helps maintain skin's youthful structure and reduces fine lines. Furthermore, it effectively targets dark spots and uneven pigmentation, giving you a brighter, more luminous complexion. Its powerful antioxidant action also shields your skin from daily environmental stressors, keeping it healthy and resilient. To effectively use Limcee vitamin C, consider both internal and external approaches. For internal benefits, dissolve 1 tablet in a glass of water and consume it daily, preferably after a meal. For topical application, look for a high-quality vitamin C serum. Apply a few drops to clean, dry skin in the morning before moisturizer and sunscreen. Consistency is key for visible results. Remember to store your Limcee vitamin C tablets properly to ensure their efficacy. Keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. When using vitamin C topically, always follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This protects your skin and maximizes the benefits of vitamin C. Also, for staying hydrated throughout your day, check out the Owala water bottle link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.